Hello, grade 4 students. One day, the teacher wanted to take stock of the situation how children go to school. What are the conveyances, how they go, how they come back from school. So, she requested children to be with her throughout the day. And she talked to children at different times. Now let's see what is happening today now. Now at 6:30 am what is happening? So to discuss before it, let's know what is the name of the topic. The name of the topic today is we use verbs in different forms. Verbs in different forms. Then some children, they were funny. They said, wow, what is this? Is it ice? Is it water and water vapor? Is it solid liquid gas? The teacher said, no, it is more than that. It is water, ice, water vapor, then steam and cloud. So many things. So in the school bus, they started their conversation. When they are going in the school bus, they started their conversation about how the different forms of verbs are used. So, let's start. Conversation is going on between English teacher and students while they are going to school, on the way to their school. What is the time? At 6:30 am in the morning. In the morning 6:30 am, in the school bus, they are discussing. Teacher is asking and students are replying. What teacher asked? What are you doing now? This question from teacher. Teacher is asking. Students are replying, we are going to school. Driver is driving the bus. The bus is running on the road. Then again at 9:15 am during English period, teacher is asking. She has already told that throughout the day we will be discussing about how you come to school, how you go from school. So, teacher is asking, how did you come to school? Because now in the school, they are in the English period, they are in the classroom. They are already in the school. That is why the teacher asked, how did you come to school? Students are replying. When teacher is asking, at the same time students are replying. Driver drove the bus. We travelled in the bus. The bus ran on the road. We arrived at school. Then again at 9:30 am, after a little time, teacher is there in the English period is going on. Teacher is asking them, teacher asking, how does Raju come to school? How does Raju come to school? Then students are replying. Driver drives the bus. Raju travels in the bus runs on the road. Raju arrives at school. It's very simple. Same thing. We come to school by bus. Raju also comes to school by bus. At 11:45 am, before the school closes, again teacher is asking, how will you go home? Students are replying, driver will drive the bus. We will travel in the bus. The bus will run on the road. We shall arrive at home. Before the school closes, children are in the assembly. So at 12 noon, when children are in assembly, again teacher is asking, how do all children come to school? In above cases, they were in grade 4 and the school bus, those who are in their bus, they were discussing, how are you going school? What are you doing? All these things came when they were in the school bus. Now, at the end of the day, when whole school is there in the assembly, then teacher is asking, how do all children come to school every day? Drivers drive the bus. Students are replying. Drivers drive the buses every day. Children travel in the buses every day. Buses run on the road every day. Children arrive at school every day. This is the way children come to school every day. So our topic was verbs in different forms. So let's analyze the verb forms. Here it is how do. How do all children come to school? Then it is drive, travel, run, arrive. What do we find? What do we find? All these are base forms. All these are basic verb words. We have discussed before the type. These are the names of verbs. So these are basic verb words. These are basic verb words. We have already discussed about basic verb words in class 3, class 4. Basic verb words, and basic verb words are called, these are base form of verb or base form of verb. These are base form of verb. We call it base form. That these basic verb words, we say the name of the verbs, we call them base form of verb. Base form. Now let's go. What is there in other? What is there in other sentences? We got the basic form of verb. Then let's go to the what happened in the bus. What happened in the bus? Teacher is asking, what are you doing now? What are you doing? Here it is do. Do becomes doing. Students are replying. What they are replying? We are going, driving, running, ing. Everywhere there is ing. Everywhere, even here also there is ing. Asking and replying. Ing. So these basic words are changed. Ing is added. It's changed. Here it is. How did you come to school? Did. Do is not there. There is did. Drive becomes drove. Traveled became traveled. Run became ran. Arrive became arrived. Basic words are changed. Basic words do, drive, travel, ran, arrive. But it is changed to drive, did, drive, drove. Changed. Everything changed. Then, how does Raju come to school? Here also, do becomes does. Do becomes does. Drive becomes drives. Travel becomes travels. Run becomes runs. Arrive becomes arrives. We have used this form of verbs beforehand, but now we will discuss in more detail. We will learn better. How here teacher is asking me before the school closes because it is tomorrow. Tomorrow they will, because it is today at the end of the school. At the end of school, the teacher says, how will you go? Because they are in the school. Then she says, how will you go home? How will you go home? How will driver will drive, we will travel, will run, shall arrive. So these are, you see, all these are names of verbs, basic words. This is basic verb words. But before basic verb words comes will, shall. These are the comes. When they are changed, this is the basic verb word. We have discussed beforehand. We will know. We have studied in class 2 and 3. Basic verb words. Here they are changed. Basic verb words are changed. Basic verb words are changed. How changed? We call these modified verb words. When basic verb words are changed, we call these modified verb words. How modified? Here it is ing at the end of the word. These are basic verb words. These are Modified verb words. Modified forms. Modified forms. Modified forms of verb. Modified forms of verb, we got it. Modified forms of verb. Now what are they? How changed? How they are changed? ing is added. We add ing at the end. We add ing at the end of word. At the end of verb. Here do becomes did. Drove, travelled, ran, arrived. Ed is added. Here ed added. D added. Ded added. Or what changed? Vowel changed. Vowel changed. In the third case, during English period, how does Raju comes to school? How does Raju comes to school? Every day how does Raju come to school? Again, do becomes does, drive becomes drives, travels, runs, S or ES is added. S or ES is added to the verb. To the basic verb. Basic verb, base verb. We call basic verb or we call base verb. Then next, before the school closes, teacher is asking, how will you go to school? Go home. How will you go home? Then student says, how will you go home? We will drive, driver will drive, will travel, will run. So will comes before. Will comes before verb, before basic verb word. Basic verb word. Therefore, we say how many are there? All these modified 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is 5. So we say that we use 5. We got 5 forms of verb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We use 5 forms of verb. We use 5 different forms. All are different. 5 different forms of verbs. This is the lesson we learned today. Verb, every verb, we have 5 different forms. Each verb has 5 different forms. Each verb has 5 different forms. Each verb has 5 different forms. This is the lesson we learned today. We learned that we use verbs in different forms. What are they? We use for when ing is added, this is one form. D or ed is added or vowel is changed, that is another form. Then s or es is added, that is one more form. And will or shall is added, that is one more form. And basic words is one form. So we have 5 verb forms. We use different 5 verb forms. Different verb forms, and they are 5 in number. Each verb has 5 different forms. Each verb has 5 different forms. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.